Love you too.
Love you.
Love you too. It is water. Run through the water, Gracie. Whoa, was it cold? Whoa, look at Jace learning how to do that. What's wrong? You better watch the computer. He's making that spray. Look. You figured out a cool trick, Jace. You got Mommy's truck wet. Why don't you go play in the water, Gracie Kate?
I hate when he does that because I get too wet.
You hate when he does that?
Yeah, because he gets too wet. And then Kelly promised we could play on the sprinkler.
Well, we need a different water hose so we can use the sprinkler. Why don't you slide while Jace is putting the water over the slide? It's a good trick, Jace.
Easy on longer than grass, boss.
Do you want Gracie to come down?
Hold it over, please.
Ah! He got you.
Only that way, Jay.
Woo! Get the slide wet, Jace. Oh, it's like a rainbow of water. Oh, he got you. He got it. Don't go inside. You got her soaking wet, Bubby. That's a good trick, Jace. You want Gracie to hold it? Can you go hold it, baby? Whoa! Can Gracie hold it for a minute? You were gonna put it down, Bob.
No!
Not so hateful. Ah! Did he get you wet?
Yeah. Get down on the slide.
Whoa.
Get on the slide.
Hold it right there so Gracie can slide through it, Bubby. Oh! Oh man, I missed it. Can you do it one more time?
Do it again, Jake.
Okay, get Gracie while she slides. Get Gracie while she slides, Bubby. Huh?
You get it this time.
I did get it that time. Are you okay?
Yeah.
What's wrong?
The only side wet.
Huh? What's wrong?
Are you wet?
Oh, you're wet. You have water dripping off your nose.
Now you're wet.
Just on my fingers. Careful not to get it back here, okay? If you squeeze it like Jace was doing, it makes it go really far. Squeeze it hard. Good job. It sort of looks like you're pee-peeing really, really big back here. Whoa! What you doing, mister? Huh? Look at mommy. You look at your mommy. Can you wink at me? It's okay. Dump the water out. There you go. Oh, no, 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 no! You gotta be careful because you got it in the house. Gracie gonna get you! Or she's gonna get herself. Not over here. What happened, Bubbies? Did she get your hair wet?
He doesn't like when I squirt him.
Well, then don't squirt him, hateful. It's not funny. Are you okay, Bubbies? Yeah. Oh, look what you have. You're sleepy? Let me see your eyes. Are they sleepy? They look very sleepy. Jace, look at mommy. I love you. I love you. I love you more. I see. Look at Gracie. She's cleaning Daddy's truck. Yeah. Nope. You can't squirt it this way, okay? You keep squirting inside the house. Gracie Kate, I love you. Can you give me a really big dimple smile? Or a kiss? Oh, I think your kiss landed on the camera. Huh? You want what? Sorry, guys.
Come inside.
So smart. Good job. Can you run through the water, Jace?
Run through it.
Gracie? Gracie. Come here, Bubbies. Gracie Kate, you can't squirt your brother, okay? Are you okay? I love you. Come here, baby boy. Come here. Are you okay? Are you what? Honey, will you come here to mommy? Come here, let me see. Oh, sweetums. I can't make it better if you won't come see me. Okay. I love you. Is that better? I know. Your shirt's wet. That's okay. Hey, wait. Listen. We're outside playing in the water. It's okay if it's wet. Is your belly wet? Check and see if your belly's wet.
No.
Oh, okay. Is your cheek wet?
No.
Are you angry? Gracie, can you tell him sorry for squirting him? Tell Jace you're sorry for squirting him. See, it was an accident, Bubby. She thought you wanted to play. Can you go give Gracie a hug and tell her it's okay? Can you put the water hose down and come hug him for a minute? And give him a kiss and tell him you're sorry.
I'm sorry.
Can you give Gracie a hug? Give him a hug. Give her a kiss. Oh, I love you guys. I know. She said sorry. Is it okay now? Be careful, honey, because I'm afraid you're going to squirt it up here in the house. Huh? You're here? Is it soaking wet? That's okay. We're playing in water. We can get wet. We'll get a towel in a minute. Are your eyes still sleepy? Let me see your sleepy eyes. Oh, they look very sleepy. Can I see your sleepy belly? Do you have a sleepy belly? Precious baby boy. And precious baby girl. Careful. It's like a water rainbow. Can you reach it? Oh! Hey, don't get Jace, honey. You did. You squirted him.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Look at me. Are your lips cold? Are they shivering? I think maybe we should go inside for a little bit because it's getting a little chilly outside. Okay. I love you.
Can you turn the water off?
Of course. You're not even going to fight me? What a big girl you are.
Look! My feet are in the water. It's just trying to get the thing off.
When did your feet get so big? I can't find your feet. Whoa. Let's see Jace's little feet. Can I see your feet, Jace? There they are. And nothing little about either one of your feet. And did you know in 6 days, Jace is going to be 2? Can you believe that?
Look.
Oh, that's okay. Go put your hand in the water. Or wipe it on your shirt if you don't want to touch the water. That's okay. Honey, be careful. Jace. Jace, I love you. Yes, I love you. I'm going to turn it off. Okay. Gracie Kate, I love you.
I love you too.
Okay, I'm going to turn the water off.
I want to help.